The Steam sale is right around the corner and we gamers are looking for good deals to add games to our library. In this video we will see, does the deal really exist and is it the best price for your game? Hey guys, this is Kirtan Bhatt from Gadget Park. Let's get started. I hope that you have all your favorite games in your wish list ready for checkout, but let's just see whether we are getting a good price for the game or not. Log into your web browser and go to steamdb.info. Steamdb.info is a third-party tool which helps you give more details of the game and how the pricing fluctuates, the number of players currently active, and a lot more. It's basically a Wikipedia for Steam. The homepage looks like this. It's quite clean. You will get a few charts in the homepage with the most played games, trending games, hot releases, and popular releases. You can see the number of players who are playing right now in this homepage itself. If you want to know more about the game, just go to the page of the game, and every game has a separate page like this where you can find the developer name, publisher, last update details, players right now, all-time peak, and the followers for the game. You can also see the reviews of the game over here, and if you scroll down below, you can see the charts for the last 1 or 2 weeks. Based on looking at these charts, you can decide whether the game is quite popular among the community or not. If you go down, you will find the play times and average play times for the particular game. In the top left, the most important thing of the website, you will find prices. This will show the pricing of the game in various currencies, and you can see the current price and the lowest recorded price. So if you want to buy the game but you are not in a hurry, then I would suggest you to wait for the lowest recorded price. But when can you expect the price to go down to a low price? You can scroll down here and see a chart which will show you the pricing of the game since the release of the game. Once you learn to study this chart, you can expect when the game will be in a discounted price. As you can see in this example, during the Steam sale 2019, it was given for 189 rupees. That's the lowest which it went. Again in 2018, during the Steam summer sale, it was at 189 rupees. So right now we can expect and predict that it will be at 189 rupees during the Steam summer sale 2020. Alright, so if you are in a hurry, you can buy at the current pricing, but if you wish to wait and if you want a discount, then just check the charts over here and decide when you want to buy the game. In the tabs on the left side, you will also find screenshots where it shows some nice screenshots of the game, and you will have information regarding the game, whether it's the store release date or the languages supported, the updates, and the stats, the achievements which you can unlock in this game, the items which are available in this game. Here in the history we can see the previous changes during the updates and which items have been removed, which items have been added to the game. If you don't find your particular favorite game in the homepage here, you can just try it here in the search tab. Just type the name of the game and you have literally every game and software which is available in the Steam store. Again, it's the same thing. You can decide whether to buy it or not. You can get literally every information about the game in this website. There is also a sales tab in the website which shows you the sales which are upcoming and which are currently going on. Here in the patch notes tab, you will find the patch notes for the particular game. If you want to see what they have added or removed in the game, you can find it here in a detailed manner. Here in the upcoming tab, you will see the new Steam releases which are upcoming soon. So that's about steamdb.info. I really use this website to find out the current pricing and to predict when I'll be getting a good discount for the game. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't. Comment down your views and thoughts, and please mention which games you play in the comment section. You will find my Steam ID in the video description if you want to play together. Subscribe for more such content. This is Kirtan but signing off. Have a great day. Bye now.